Hell yeah.
Yo, so if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, thumbs up. We got another unboxing, but today this unboxing is a little different. Not really, because it's still unboxing, but you'll see. I'm in America, for those who don't know. And when I do review certain clippers, everybody tells me to either try the Kimi brand, if I'm pronouncing that right, or the Monster brand, or they'll just tell me to try other brands. Due to the fact that I am in America and some of these companies are based outside, a lot of those companies and clippers are not available here. You can find them, but they're not available here, right? So when some of people be like, it's a knockoff this, it's a knockoff that, I don't know which ones are knockoff, all right? I'm not here to say that. I'm just saying that some clippers are the same. I don't know who came up with this first. I don't know who does what. When I'm here telling y'all about clippers that I've used, it's more or less to tell you about clippers that I use. One thing I have realized that since I have put myself out to the public on YouTube, that I am open for people to agree, disagree, like me, hate me, and all of that is fine. But with all that being said, I emailed a company. They said they delivered to the States. So we have a package today. A nice one. Give me 1 second there, guys. So, for those who have been telling me to try Monster, I went to their website and bought one of everything. And they also sent me some nice things that might be used for a giveaway. But as far as the clippers, I bought one of everything. So, with that being said, let's do some type of unboxing. All right. Boom. So this here is the Monster clipper, which is more or less looks like a Wall, a Rebel, or whatever. All right. It comes with 7 attachment combs, cleaning brush, 120 minutes of charge time for a 180-minute run time. So 2 hours of charge time for a 3-hour run time. Turbocharged motor, cord or cordless, lightweight, 5-step adjustable taper lever, comes with the taper blade. All right. So boom, open. And we're gonna go through all these pretty quick because I have a few. All right. This here I like. It's like Monster. It's like big. It's like, you see it, right? So this is their taper clipper. This is just called, it just say Monster clipper on the, if I can get this blade off, this cover off. All right. So it's very lightweight. About the same weight as a Magic clip. So that's what it puts you in the mind of. Comes with the taper blade. Click lever. Comes with a charging stand. Of course, the cord. And their guards are somewhat like the wall guards. A little bit thicker though. Like that half guard is a little bit thicker than the wall clipper. But that's got some sound. Now I know that when I'm doing unboxing, a lot of the clippers sound a lot louder through the camera. Me here, nothing on, this is loud. This is an older clipper. That's about 2 years old. It got some sound to it, but we're still gonna put it to use. I like that black on white though. All right, so boom, that's one. We're gonna set that to the side. Two is their trimmer. That's kind of like a Evo. Okay, since the reason I'm not comparing all of these, the reason I'm bringing up those names is because when I have reviewed these products, people brought this brand up. So here we are. Going with 3 guard attachment, which with the trimmers, y'all know I don't use. Cleaning brush, 70 minutes of charge time for a 2-hour run time. Boom. Again, monster trimmer. Those are the guards that fell out. I mean, I really like how that just like stands out. OMG, we created them. Like, that just pops out when you open it. I do like that. So it do have, I don't know what's supposed to go here. It looked like something was there, but it's not. But I mean, I guess that was there. It did fall out. But you can see it got the cord, the charging stand, and then we're going to bring out the trimmer. Again, very lightweight and might be, I guess, I don't know. This feel like it might be lighter than an Evo. 1 second. Evo, monster. It's about the same. This still feel a little lighter for some reason, but they might be about the same. But there it go. Little shallow, little low tooth, little shallow teeth blade. So not bad. Sound pretty much the same. Sound exactly the same. But that's the monster trimmer. This is the fade blade clipper. So I'm guessing it's pretty much the same as the taper blade clipper I opened a second ago, but with the fade blade on it. And this is all black. Pretty much the same thing. 3 minutes of run. 3 minutes. Imagine a clipper having 3 minutes of run time. 3 hours of run time. Adjustable blade. So yeah, this is exactly the same, except for with the fade blade. Weighs exactly the same. So you see it. Fade blade. Pretty close. The other one sounds a little bit louder. But there you go. So honestly, how am I going to review all of this? So what I'm going to do is review one at a time. So give me time. This is going to be stretched out, I guess. A 5-part series of reviewing monster clippers. Because I don't know when was the next time I was going to order from Monster. So I went out and just bought one of everything. You're welcome. If you care. All right. So what else? Then I got their shaver. So their shaver is 44 millimeter cutting width. I thought they was about to say 44 minutes. I was about to say, whoa. 90 minutes of charge time for my 90-minute run time. That's cool for a shaver. So it's pretty much the same as like the Prodigy, pretty much it looks like. Got a little sound. Nothing. Oh, I like that black. That black is nice. My fingerprints, but you can see, like you can see me, see you, see me. Monster shaver. So none of theirs really have names to it. It's just like monster shaver, monster fade blade, monster taper blade, you know, and it just, you know, that's, but I guess if you don't bring out a bunch of different items, you're just bringing out what's needed. I guess you really don't need too much of, something to set everything apart. And then we have the hybrid blade. So it looked like that blade might be a little bit wider. This is something more like the Ergos. You got 120 minutes of charge time for 180 minutes of run time. Click lever or freestyle lever, low noise, cord or cordless, double DLC blade. So let's see what they mean by hybrid. Maybe they just include something else. All right, so the clipper, guards, charging stand. I'm guessing the brush was here, oil is there. So of course you got the charger, the cord. So let's get that out of there. And yes, so this is the only one that's more or less like a Gamma clipper. Comes with the screwdriver. Looks pretty familiar. Come with different plates to put on the clipper. Also comes with your different lever. All right. So here's the clipper. Got a little bit of weight to it. Not bad. Does this say what kind of motor it has in it? Boom. Again, I still like it though. Microchip Max. So it's a magnetic motor. Comes with a fade blade with the ridges. It says hybrid blade, so I'm guessing that's what it's meaning. Click lever, pretty tight on there too. So all this is pretty much the same design. And this could just be based on them being in separate countries. Separate countries just seeing stuff or just using a manufacturer, or, or whatever. So this is the one I'm probably gonna do first. This is the one I will review first. I was going to decide later, but this will be the first one I review. I will review the hybrid blade first. All right. So that's the unboxing of the Monster collection, which was a monster unboxing. All right. Ba-doom. Right. Yeah. Haters. So as far as the giveaway part, all right. And so they sent me, when I emailed them and asked them if they shipped to the States, of course they said yes, because I have the products. But they was like, we're going to throw some extra stuff in there for you. Cool. So they sent me a bunch of hats. All right. I don't really wear hats. I got a big old head. Let me see. So, of course, I can loosen it up. Of course. Don't ask stupid questions. But they gave me some hats. They also sent some water-resistant cutting capes. They also sent some, look like clipper holders, shear holders. Yeah. It's a nice little traveling pack. So that's cool. If I can, I'll zip it in later. Here, they sent a little bit bigger package. So this is more of a traveling, you need to get some haircuts, it look like, all right? So, as you see, nice little package. You put all your stuff in there. You put your clippers and stuff in there. If you traveling, doing cuts, got Monster on there. It's nice leather feel. I like that. Set that to the side. Not bad at all. They also sent me some brushes, some more styling brushes, and they also sent me some foil, some replacement foils, and the cutters for the shaver. All right, and this is just some clipper oil that they put in there. So maybe I'll be doing more giveaways. This seems more of a Instagram giveaway. So if you want to keep an eye out on this giveaway and other small giveaways that I have, go follow me on Instagram at Cuts by Reggie and see about that. So that's the unboxing. And like I said, I was going to try to figure out which one I was going to open or review first, but I think I'm gonna do the Ergo style clipper first. It got a little bit more weight to it. It's quieter. I like the design of that, the ergonomical, the hip movement in it. So I'm gonna use that first. And again, I'm just gonna go one at a time, especially with the clippers. So I guess I can go ahead and use a trimmer, the shaver, and one of the clippers, but the other 3 clippers that I have will be at separate times. All right. So how will those come out? I'm gonna probably use those for about 2 weeks before I review them. Then I have other stuff that I still am looking through and stuff like that. So be patient with me on these reviews for all of this. The other stuff will come in between, and I also have more tutorials coming. All right. And I didn't say the price for none of these, but when I go back and edit, and you'll see on the screen. All right. So thank you very much for watching. Comment, like, share, subscribe. If you like the videos, you can hit the thumbs up. If you dislike them, you can hit the thumbs down, right? If y'all from the, y'all remember T.I. used to wear his shit like that. I don't know how he kept it on. The thing used to be like that, right? I don't even wear hats. But comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll be back. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Cuts by Reggie for more smaller giveaways. And the 5,000 giveaway is over with. Will be probably 7,500 and then 10,000 before the next big giveaways. All right. I'll be back as soon as possible. Peace.